In front of me is Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and let me show you how to use camera timer on this device. So at first just open your camera app, and now tap on more icon, and here the second label is for the timer. So you can pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay, it's up to you. Let me choose the middle one, so it's 5 seconds, and from now on you can see the countdown at first, and then the picture will be grabbed. And that's it. If you'd like to switch it off or maybe change the period of time, just mark the particular icon, and as you can see I just turned it off, so it will be grabbing picture right after click. So this is it, that will be all. That's how you can make a photo delay in your Xiaomi Black Shark. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.